This is the third generation Xiaomi TV box. In today's video, I will show you how to set up this TV box. First, connect an HDMI cable between the TV and the TV box. Now plug the adapter into the TV box, and the TV box will turn on. Now go to your TV. Now click on HDMI. Now connect your Xiaomi TV remote to your TV. Press and hold the home button plus TV button together for about 4 to 5 seconds. Now the Xiaomi TV box remote is paired with the TV. Select your region now. Click on Manual Setup. Now connect your TV to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password. The TV is now connected to Wi-Fi. Now enter your email account. Now enter your email account password. Now you need to give permission from your phone, where your email account is added. Click to accept. Click No Thanks. Click Allow. Click Confirm. Choose your energy mood now. Press the button on the side of the remote 3 times. Click Agree. Now wait a few minutes for the TV box to set up. Now click to go to Google TV. The setup of the third generation Xiaomi TV Box S is now complete. This is how you can set up a Xiaomi TV box.